Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas with no colour, taste, or scent. It can be given off by faulty appliances including gas, oil, and solid fuel. The law in England and Wales states that new or replacement solid fuel installations in your home must also have a carbon monoxide alarm fitted. Use a HETAS Registered Installer to select and fit a compliant carbon monoxide alarm model. You can discuss a location for it to be fitted to make sure its positioning complies with building standards. Take a note of the carbon monoxide alarm's expiry date. Your alarm will need to be replaced before this time. Your alarm will also need to be replaced a certain number of years after its installation. See the manufacturer's instructions. Test your carbon monoxide alarm regularly. HETAS support the Test It Tuesday scheme. For more detailed information on where your carbon monoxide alarm can be placed, please see our second carbon monoxide safety advice video.